Here we go.
Yeah, probably gathered here for you guys.
His name is question mark.
His name is question mark.
My name is question mark.
Let's get to the point, says General Poncho. I'll do a voice for him. Ready?
Okay.
This is our target.
His name is Ronald.
His name is Ronald.
Donald.
We have investigated. All we know he is a dangerous Robloxian.
Fall down to die.
I slipped.
Oh, I'm coming. No, I need to get that.
Oh, you didn't slip. Don't jump. Oh my god, I swear if you die.
It's the outfit. It's the outfit.
Oh my god, are you an idiot?
Did he fall?
Fine.
Okay, let's try this again. Okay, we can do.
Without anybody falling off.
No, even.
No, he's dancing.
Oh, the girl's gone. Girl's gone. Pink lipstick. 1517.
Oh, she teleported in.
Going down.
Oh, she teleported. Damn it.
Let's go.
Yes, I'm first on. Wait, he's just dancing in his chair. Look at him.
Oh my goodness, he's dead.
Okay, we have to sit over here. Take these 3 seats.
My husband.
These 3. Hurry. No.
Look, he's stroking my hair. That's not
Ew.
scary at all. Never mind.
Oh my goodness, that's hilarious.
Ah, yes. Stroke my hair, child. Stroke it. Stroke it because I'm not flipping. Wait, what? What was that?
Dude, I'm just gonna ground. Let's jump off now. Wait.
No, don't you dare.
Okay, fine.
Hey.
Did you see that? He just lied down.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Fire! Quickly, inside. Run inside.
That guy.
Are you not gonna close it?
Pilot!
Okay.
Is everything okay? Where's the skeleton? Seems to be. I'm sorry, Andrew. I don't know what you're talking about. The giant skeleton! We didn't see any skeleton. He's still lurking on the pane. Oh my goodness.
I know.
Never mind.
Imagination.
You can jump over the seats.
Go. Now where do I go? I'll jump that. No!
I made it.
No! I died.
How did you die with a parachute? This
I don't know.
game
Okay, I'm
makes
just
no
spectating.
sense.
I like not spectating, but I'm gonna watch.
First I die from jumping into.
Is it over?
First I die from jumping into the bottom of the cave. That was not even that TV, 5 feet. And then Alyssa dies from sitting on a chair. And then you die with a parachute.
Jump that.
The way people die these days.